Hello, we're here at SL Equipment today to look at this custom 8.5 ohm trailer. Starting off with the front of the trailer, we can see it has a triple tube tongue. We'll have our front jack, a coupler for a 2 5/16 ball, safety chains. We got the breakaway cable. On the driver's side, there is a ladder that goes up to the roof. The top roof rails are aluminum. I've went ahead and put everything up just for sake of the video to make it easier to see. There's going to be a pin on the left and right sides of the front, left and right at the back, that pins everything together. And the ladder is all bolted down. This trailer does have rails on the back porch area. The front enclosed section is 7 feet. This trailer does have steel wheels. They are 8 lug. It has radial tires. The trailer is red in color with blackout trim. The DOT lighting is LED. The back gate is barn style. And there's a license plate bracket and light on the rear. There's both a gate on the driver and passenger side. Now the side ramp is spring assisted. As we can see, it also has a transition flap. There are 2 bar locks that hold it in place and travel in transit to keep it secure. You can also put padlocks across those to lock it up. There's a light switch for the 12-volt dome light when connected to the vehicle. And that door going out to the rear section. Also has a flyaway safety chain. Make sure it can't slam. And then we can take a look at the spring assist from the inside. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.